Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another Advent unboxing. Today we're going to be, if you couldn't tell, opening the 12 Dom Days of Polish 2022 Advent calendar. I've been saying it Dam, but I'm pretty sure that her name is pronounced Dom. It's the maker's last name for Dom nail polish. Although Dam nail polish sounds pretty good too. Just a quick note, I will be opening every single box in this calendar, as well as showing swatch pictures. So if you don't want to be spoiled, although at this point I think you've probably opened it by now, exit out of the video now. I just want to give that warning. And really quick, before we get into actually cracking this guy open, I wanted to give you guys the quick details. This went on sale in September as a capped pre-order from 10/22. This went on sale in October as a capped pre-order from 10/22 until it sold out, I believe. I don't know how big the cap was. I don't recall. This is the first year that this brand has done an Advent calendar, and I was like hellbent on picking this up because I've really wanted to try this brand, and it being her first year doing it, I was really interested in checking it out. However, I was getting surgery in my stupid mouth that day, and so my boyfriend ordered it for me while he sat in the waiting room for me, and so don't we just love him? He's a hero. The Advent itself costs $120, and the contents are 12 full-size exclusive polishes to this calendar. That breaks down to $10 an item. Like I said, I have not bought anything from this brand. However, I've heard nothing but good things, and they are going to be at Polish and Beauty Expo next year, so this will be a good primer. So it also, before we actually open this up, came with this sticker, which you know I'm turning into a magnet. It came with this pen, which I feel like it's thermal. Yeah, like I breathed on it, but it's freezing in here, so you're not really going to see too much of a difference, but I'm pretty sure this pen is thermal. I'm going to give it to my boyfriend because I have a very specific pen that I use, and I refuse to use any other pen than that, and so as much as I love this pen, I won't use it. And also some candy, which I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. All right, so I guess we'll just crack right into there. It looks like they're all numbered and they're in order. Thank you. I love that. So it looks like the unit carton here is, I don't know if it's special just for Christmas or special just for this Advent calendar. I'm not sure because, like I said, I've never ordered from them. But let's crack on in to day one. Ooh, strong start. What the is fruitcake? Or, I'm sorry, WTF is fruitcake. I have a feeling that one looks like it could be reflective. Yeah, I feel like that's a reflective. It's got green and purple kind of like flip to it. It looks like it'll be a little bit sheer, so you'll probably need a couple coats, but that is lovely. Day number 2. We have kind of an icy blue, and it's definitely a hollow. It's called Frostbite. This is really pretty. It reminds me of one I got at Polish and Beauty Expo, actually, that kind of actually, oh, is it hollow or is it shimmer? I'm silly. It's a green shimmer running through it, but also hollow? Question, I think. The name is really good for it. Frostbite, I like that. Day number 3. Ooh, okay, that's definitely got to have reflective glitter in it. It's called To Ski or Not to Ski. I'm going to say not to ski because the one time I went skiing, I fell asleep on a bench like a lizard and I got sunburnt and I got sun sickness. This is really pretty. Okay, I don't know anything about Lion with a Thorn in Its Paw from BKL, and my memory is bad, but this looks like how I remember the pictures looking. It's got like a red to yellow kind of shimmer running through it, but then it has like this blue reflective as well. Yeah, I'm into it. So far, a very strong start from this brand that is new to me. Day 4. Let's just hope they don't put any reds in this calendar, and then we'll be on good terms. Oh! I'm an idiot. I cursed myself. Awkward holiday party. Okay, well, I shouldn't have said that. Okay, but you guys, I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. This is a kind of more cranberry-ish red, and it has like a green shimmer running through it. So this might be like my gateway to reds polish. Now, we know the rule is I don't buy reds from any brand that's new to me. This one was thrust upon me, so I will have to try this out and see if I can get that in the picture. I'm going to move those. Day number 5. Let's see. Okay, and then followed up immediately by a white. This one is called Marshmallows and Bonfires. Now, this one is very shimmery. I wonder how sheer it will be and if I can build it up well enough on the nail. I do love that red fiery shimmer. You guys, I'm out of focus. I got it on the box. I do love that red fiery shimmer that is in this polish. I literally cannot get it to pick up on camera. I will try to get it to pick up when I take my photo. It is really nice, but I have a feeling I'm not going to wear that one much. Day 6. Okay, this is a fun green. It says, why are wreaths so expensive? Are wreaths expensive? I don't buy Christmas decor. This is a kind of mintier green with white matte glitters and then red metallic glitters running through it. Very Christmassy, very good for the season. I'm going to probably be putting this in my Christmas or like December nail polish rack. At this point, you guys will, it's like the 23rd, I think, when I'm posting this. But I'm filming this not on the 23rd, so. All right, day number 7. Let's see what we got. Oh, this one is very flaky. It's called PJ's All Day. And it's kind of like that, like reddy purple, and it flips to like a greeny gold, and it's just loaded with flakies. This is my kind of polish. I do love a flaky bomb, kind of like a sunset color, you know. Day number 8. Oh, it's a very hollow, very pretty purple. It's called Warm Mittens. I'm not like a huge hollow freak, but I like hollow. And like, I don't hate it. I just, I am not one who like guns for it specifically, but this is really pretty. I like the color. It looks like we got 3 kind of purpley polishes so far. I'm a big purple person, so I lean more towards purple polishes, so I'm happy with that. Day number 9. Ooh, okay. Let's start a snowball fight. This looks like it's similar in finish to the first one we opened, but it's more green with a purple flip. Definitely looks like it's got reflective glitter in there. Very sparkly, very Grinchy. Day number 10. Oh, okay. My snow fort is better than your snow fort. We got another green, and it's got a purple flip in there. It looks like pickly green. Ooh, that's really pretty. All right, they're doing well. I got 3 purples, I got 3 greens. Those are 2 of my favorite colors to wear. I'm doing good. All right, day 11. All right, and ooh, look at that. Is it summer yet? Yes, I feel that. Okay, it is blue based with a pinky purple shimmer. And then we have some scattered metallic flakies in there. And of course, reflective. It looks like it's like a light blue reflective glitter. I'm liking like the variety of colors in the reflective glitters. I hate just a plain silver reflective. I feel like that's so boring. And the final day, day 12, we have, let's see, another purple. Oops, I bumped the camera. Sorry, guys. Sit back and enjoy the blizzard. And this one looks like it's probably a similar formula, or maybe not that one. Maybe this one. This one looks like it does have a silver reflective in there. Yeah, that one is a silver reflective, but it does look like it's got a hollow base. And I like this purple. I'm liking this Advent. Okay, let's see. All right, what do you guys think? I've been telling you all month, this is my first year buying from Indie Advents, and this is my first time buying from this brand altogether. This is their first Advent calendar ever. Did you guys pick this up as well? This is really a strong one for me. I really like it. The very first polish was like a definite yes. This one, like I said, I have to look at Lion with a Thorn in Its Paw, but I feel like this is like, it looks kind of similar in my head. Not living for these two. However, the shimmer flips in these, if I can get them to read on camera, I bet these are going to look great on the nail. So we'll have to see. And honestly, they look pretty good next to each other. This is the only polish that I feel like is like strictly Christmas. Like if you wore it all year round, people would still look at it and be like, that's a Christmas polish. So I like that they kept it pretty minimal in that way. And then I feel like if you're not a purple lover, maybe you'll be a little bit sad because there's like 4 purples in here and 3 greens and 3 blues. Oh my gosh. This one I'm very excited to wear. This reminds me of the Bloomforia collection that China Glaze did in the spring, only I think theirs was like reversed where it was like a purple base with this kind of greeny shimmer running through it. I'm excited for this one. I'm excited to check these out, get them on my nails, see what I like from this brand, and then go from there because I've been meaning to pick stuff up from them and I just haven't. And so I guess now I have. So I hope that they got a really good turnout on this and I hope they do it again next year. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know what your favorites were. I'm really struggling. I will have to swatch them to fully decide. But yeah, that is going to be it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.